अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, वेलकम टू जॉब टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम। दोस्तों, नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हैं। आज की वीडियो में हम आपको असिस्टेंट सब इंस्पेक्टर का पेपर जो पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन ने 3 अक्टूबर 2021 को कंडक्ट किया है, उसके जो 100 क्वेश्चंस हैं वो आपसे डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आज की वीडियो में जो है वो तमाम पेपर जो जितना भी है उसको डिस्कस किया जाएगा। आपने वीडियो को गौर से देखना है, एंड तक वीडियो देखनी है और वीडियो को स्किप नहीं करना। वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले आपसे गुजारिश है कि हमारे चैनल जॉब टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को लाजमी प्रेस करें ताकि आपको पेपर से रिलेटेड और डेली बेसिस पर जो जॉब्स अपडेट होती हैं उससे रिलेटेड जो है आपको अपडेट मिलती रहे। अब चलते हैं डिटेल पेपर की तरफ। ये सॉल्व पेपर है एएसआई का, पंजाब पुलिस सर्विस कोटा। पहला क्वेश्चन है कि विच पर्सन इज़ रिमेंबर्ड एज टीचर ऑफ मदीना? मुसाब इब्ने उमैयार रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हा। सेकंड क्वेश्चन है विच मुस्लिम साइंटिस्ट इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ फाउंडर ऑफ केमिस्ट्री? जबर इब्ने हयान इज द राइट आंसर। थर्ड वन, विच पिलर ऑफ इस्लाम washes sin like water? हज। Who purchased the will of Ruma and declare it as trust? Hazrat Usman रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हा। Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed only 4 umrahs. Which mosque was declared by Allah to destroy? Zirar. MS Access arrange the data in tables, rows and columns. Which country shows its attention to withdraw from open skies territory? Russia. Ninth one है in MS Excel ready-made templates are available under File tab in new option. 10th question है Smart Card is a microprocessor. 11th है the view that display the slides of presentation as miniature representation of the slides is called slide starter view. Francois Brenier was a French traveler. Indus water territory between India and Pakistan was broked by World Bank. Great Salt Lake is situated in state of Utah in US. Pothohar Plateau and Salt Range region lies between Indus and Jhelum River. Which cannot be part of an email address? Space. यानी स्पेस आप ईमेल एड्रेस में नहीं दे सकते. The topic of email is called subject. 18 question है SOS stand for save our soul. Antibiotic is used to destroy or inhibit growth of destroy. Value of 3.4 multiplied by 1.4 oblique 0.7 is equal to 7. If x, y are two positive real number and x1 oblique 3 is equal to y1 oblique 4, then which of the following relation is true? x20 is equal to x15. Product of two numbers is 72. Find the other number when one is 9. 8. Sum of two number is 40 and their difference is 4. Ratio of the number is 11:9. Two numbers are respectively 20% and 50% of third numbers. What percentage is the first of the second is 40%. 25th question है 15 men were hired to plug a piece of land in 10 days. How many more men will be required to do the same job in 3 days? 50. It's compulsory for the Manasbadar to hold at least 200 to 600 horsemen. 27th question है low silicon, oxygen and high iron magnesiums are the characteristics of mafic and felsic magma. A cooling agent that has lower temperature than water ice is a solid form of carbon dioxide. Biogas is produced as a result of anaerobic decay of organic matter consists of CH4 and CO2 gases. The advanced search option is used to refine the search result. The World Wide Web project allows access to the universe of online information using two simple user interface operation. Personal log posted on web is called blog. We can start MS Word by typing winword.exe in a run dialog box. That charming girl was censor of all eyes. Water freeze at 32 Fahrenheit and boil at 212 Fahrenheit. Corrected. He took his birth in 1961. Right answer is he was born in 1961. Next is you have no business to inflict pain on weak and poor person. 39 one is a speech without any previous preparation is called extempore. A part of word that can be pronounced separately is called syllable. A person who loves mankind is called philanthropist. In MS Excel we can add chart from insert tab. The capability of the organization to ensure high quality data is called data analysis. A repository for data usually covering specific is data bank. One light under a bushel mean to conceal one talents. Here breath escape means a narrow escape. To fish is troubled water means to make a person profit out of a disturbance. Rule of thumb means a rough estimate. Go astray means misguided. Face the music mean bear the consequences. To cut the mustard mean to come up with expectations. 51 at arm length means at a distance which cannot be approached or reached is called inaccessible. A government that is carried on through officers is called bureaucracy. Policemen riding on motorcycle as a guard of VIP are called outrider. A place where pigs are kept is called sty. The government of Muhammad Khan Janejo was dismissed on 29th May 1988 by Ziaul Haq. Fatma Jinnah died in 1967. Seats for non-Muslim in Punjab Assembly are 8. Degree of Greenwich is in England is 0. Khyber Pass connect Peshawar to Kabul. Control plus U is shortcut for underline. In February 2020, former batsman Nasir Jamshed was sentenced to 17 months in prison by UK court. 64 हमारे पास which shortcut key is used to refresh a computer is F5. वसल का मुताजात हजर. हाथी गुजर गया दुम रह गई. आए बाएं शाएं करना टाल मटोल करना. Tenure of Akbar the Great is 1556 to 1605. Nurik is a dam in Tajikistan. UPS stands for uninterruptible power supply. Inert is opposite to moving. Who is considered one of the great investors in the world? Warren Buffett. Current PCB chairman is Ramiz Raja. Sign up deal with creating new email. Zenny means Zenny means clown. She is prettier than her sister. एक पंता दो काज. छज्जा चिकन का मुसन्नफ इम्तियाज़ अली ताज. उर्दू में इंशा निगारी का आगाज़ सर सैयद अहमद खान ने किया. In MS Excel, undo is used to reverse. Fateh Makkah took place in 8 Hijri. In MS Excel, ready-made templates are available under File tab in New option. Correct the sentence, how dare you speak against me? I think it fit to go and settle the matter to him. None of the above. Antonym of zeal is apathy. Antonym of facsimile is original. Antonym of wave is demand. Antonym of fickle is steadfast. Antonym of venerate is defame. Gland covered. Anomalous usual. Devilish mean statinic. Fraud mean guile. Vulgar mean obscene. Subjugate mean conquer. Turn up appear. Work ruin. Uncivilized vulgar. In MS PowerPoint, record slides show can record slide and animation timing. In MS Excel, a formula that look for a value in leftmost column of a table that return a value in the same row from a specified column is vertical lookup. That's all about today video regarding ASI paper conducted by Punjab Public Service Commission. We will come soon inshallah more videos. Please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Please like, share, watch our videos and support us. Thank you.